Unraveling a half-baked idea, what it means and how to use it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before, a half-baked idea. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. A half-baked idea refers to a plan or a concept that has not been thought through thoroughly. It implies that the idea is underdeveloped or poorly conceived, much like a cake that has not been properly baked. When someone says an idea is half-baked, they're suggesting that it lacks depth, detail, or feasibility. It's a critique of the idea's readiness or the lack thereof. The phrase, a half-baked idea, is believed to have originated from the literal process of baking. In baking, if something is half-baked, it means it's not fully cooked. By analogy, an idea that is half-baked is not fully developed. This phrase has been used in English for centuries, and it beautifully illustrates the importance of thoroughness and preparation, not just in cooking but in thinking and planning as well. To better understand how to use a half-baked idea in conversation, let's look at a few examples. Launching the product without market research seems like a half-baked idea to me. He came up with a half-baked idea of traveling across the country with only $100 in his pocket. The plan to remodel the kitchen without a budget was a half-baked idea that led to unnecessary expenses. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express skepticism or concern about the completeness or viability of an idea. You can use a half-baked idea in informal settings, such as conversations with friends or in casual discussions. It's perfect for situations where you want to politely express doubt or critique the feasibility of a plan or suggestion. However, it's important to be mindful of the context and the audience, as it might come off as dismissive or too critical in more formal or sensitive situations. Understanding the phrase, a half-baked idea, enriches your English vocabulary and allows you to express your thoughts on unfinished or poorly thought-out plans more vividly. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase for you. Remember, the best ideas are those that are fully baked, with all the necessary details and preparation in place. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning!